Good morning, students. Already last class we have discussed about water molecules. So overall, water molecules is classified into two types. That is hard water and soft water. Already we know that. Hard water contain some different types of salts like a bicarbonates, chlorides, and sulfates. Overall, suppose for example magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate or magnesium calcium bicarbonate. So they are all salts contained in hot water. So overall, when we have removed these salts from hot water, we have used some different types of methods. Okay, so that is mainly one temporary method and second one permanent method. So in temporary method, so number one, treatment with the washing soda, already we know that. Okay, so washing soda means sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Second one, Clark method. In this Clark method, we have addition of calcium hydroxide. It's like a lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Next, permanent method. It's contain Kalkhan method or Kalkhan process. And next one, ion exchange method. Ion exchange method. So mainly ion exchange method is used for to remove the magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate salts from hot water. So this ion exchange method is also called, it's like a zeolite method. Okay, so ion exchange method is also called zeolite method or zeolite process, or it is also called permutive method. Okay, permutive method. So ion exchange method is also called zeolite method or zeolite process, or it is also called permutive method or permutive process. So this process is mainly used for to remove the salts. So which type of salts? Suppose for example magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, MgCl2 or MgSO4, CaCl2 or CaSO4, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate. Okay, so in this process we have used some specific compound. That compound is just like sodium aluminium silicate. Sodium aluminium silicate is just like zeolite or permutate. Okay, so sodium aluminium silicate is also called zeolite or permutate. So overall NaAlSiO4, NaAlSiO4, sodium aluminium silicate is called zeolite or permutate. Okay, so simply it is we write shortcut NaZ. NaZ. So overall Na, Z means AlSiO4. Okay, NaZ. So here Z means AlSiO4. When we have addition of the zeolite or permutate with hot water, So that time generally these magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate is ionized in this process. Okay, suppose for example, magnesium chloride is converted to Mg plus 2 and 2Cl minus. Okay, magnesium chloride is converted to Mg plus 2 and plus 2Cl minus. Okay, or suppose calcium chloride is converted to Ca plus 2 and 2Cl minus. Suppose calcium chloride CaCl2, calcium chloride is converted to Ca plus 2 and 2Cl minus. Okay, or suppose MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. This magnesium sulfate is converted to Mg plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Okay, one positive ion, another one negative ion. Or suppose CaSO4, calcium sulfate. This calcium sulfate is converted to Ca plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Okay, Ca plus 2 or SO4 minus 2. So, when we have addition of the zeolite, that zeolite is NaZ. NaZ is the zeolite. This zeolite is reacts with the ion, just like a positive ion, cation, Ca plus 2 or Mg plus 2. Okay, Ca plus 2 or Mg plus 2. Suppose for example, it is attached with the Ca plus 2 or Mg plus 2 to form in this reaction just like a 2 Na plus, okay, 2 Na plus and next MgZ2, MgZ2. Okay, when this sodium permeate or 2NaZ is reacts with the Mg plus 2, gives rise to 2Na plus and plus MgZ2. Okay, so MgZ2. So, or suppose 2NaZ, sodium permeate. So, it is also reacts with Ca plus 2. Cation, calcium cation or Ca plus 2 ion. So it is converted to 2Na plus and CaZ2. Okay, so overall sodium permeate is reacts with Mg plus 2 ion. So to form 2Na plus and MgZ2. Or suppose 2NaZ is reacts with Ca plus 2 gives rise to 2Na plus CaZ2. Overall, suppose for example, remaining 2Cl minus is reacts with 2Na plus to form sodium chloride. Or suppose 2Na plus is reacts with SO4 minus 2 to form Na2SO4. Okay, so these sodium ions is reacts with chloride ions or sulfate ions. Okay, suppose sodium is reacts with chloride ions to form NaCl. Or suppose sodium ions is reacts with SO4 minus 2 to form Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Okay, so overall we have reproduced or regenerated sodium permeate when we have addition of some different types of components. Okay, so overall, suppose for example, so CaZ2, when this CaZ2 or MgZ2, we have addition of sodium chloride, okay, to regenerate of zeolite. Suppose for example, CaZ2 plus 2NaCl gives rise to 2NaZ, 2NaZ and Ca2Cl, CaCl2, calcium chloride. Okay, so 2NaZ. NaZ is the zeolite. It is regenerated with when how commonly CaZ2 or MgZ2 is reacts with the sodium chloride. Okay, so to form NaZ, to reproduce or regenerated sodium permetude when we have addition of sodium chloride. Okay, or suppose MgZ2, it is also reacts with sodium chloride. To form this reaction, 2NaZ and MgCl2. Okay, so when we have addition of sodium chloride, so to reproduce the permetude or sodium permetude or zeolite. Okay, so it is very important method for treatment water. So overall, this process is used for to remove the salts from hard water. Overall ion exchange method. This ion exchange method is also called zeolite or permetude method. So overall, sodium aluminum silicate is also called zeolite or permetude. NaAlSiO4. So simply we have called NaZ, that is shortcut. NaZ means AlSiO4. Okay, so overall, when we have addition of permetude in this hot water, that time, so salts of magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate is ionized 2 ions, that is Mg plus 2 plus 2Cl minus or Mg plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. Or suppose calcium sulfate is converted to Ca plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. Calcium chloride is converted to Ca plus 2 plus 2Cl minus. Okay, so that is when addition of sodium permetude, that is NaZ. This NaZ is reacts with Mg plus 2 ions or Ca plus 2 ions. So to form MgZ2 or CaZ2 with the Na plus ions, okay, to remove the salts from this method. Okay, so when we have addition of sodium chloride, we have regenerated it's like a sodium permetude. Next further class we have discussed about ion exchange resin method. So it is also one of the best method to remove the salts from hot water, which process ion exchange resin method. Okay.